Klaviyo versus ConvertKit. Ooh, which one do we use? So many options. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to have a look at these two platforms and see what features they offer and which one will suit your needs better. So let's dive in. So jumping into Klaviyo, firstly, they have a bunch of awesome features. So first of all, we're going to have a look at their workflows. Workflows basically allow you to automate processes such as sending emails of any sort to different groups of customers when they take certain actions. So as you can see here, for example, when somebody comes into your store, when they sign up, if they abandon a cart, if they do a product review, or they do a customer win back. So, these are kind of some templates that you can use to automate your workflow. All right, you can also build your own, which is absolutely fantastic. But as you can see here, there are tons of different templates you can use. Now, when you go into one of these, it is basically like an email builder where you can just sort of customize every little action that happens in between and through the whole process. So one of the other things that they have is a growth tool, and here you can create sign-up forms, you can customize, subscribe and preference pages, you can set up their SMS campaign, which is fantastic, and then you can add the subscribers at checkout, which is a third-party tool that is used. You also have your content over here, which you can manage. So if you go into templates, perhaps, and you go into template library at the top, you can actually choose a template straight from here. You can also import a template, but once you go into here, you can customize this template. You can use it as a newsletter. You can use it as an email of any sort to communicate any sort of thing that you want to communicate, whether it be a promotion or just a welcome email or whatever the case may be. Jumping into ConvertKit, pretty much the same options that you have with Klaviyo. They do look a little bit different to Klaviyo and the rest of the CRMs that we have been working with. But basically, if you go into one of these options over here, say perhaps subscribers, you can see that you can add subscribers straight from here. If you are going into landing pages and forms, you can actually create landing pages from here. So if you tick the create new option, you can go ahead and create a form or a landing page. So if you're going into a landing page, perhaps, again, you can filter out what sort of template you want to use, but it's pretty simple. You're going to choose a template that suits your needs. You're going to go in here and you're going to be able to drag and drop and create, recreate this template with your own information in it, and you can fully customize it. If you're going into send, again, if you click on broadcast, you actually have the opportunity to create very, very simple email. So if you go new broadcast and you go ahead and you look for a different type of template, there's different starting points. Perhaps we want to go into this one over here, and again, you can use this, completely customize it, and this is an email that you can send to different segments of your contact list. You can send it to all your contacts, and however you feel you need to do this. Again, it's fully customizable. You can move it around, you can add elements, you can remove elements, you can change everything that is in here, and it's fantastic. Klaviyo is coming in with a free trial, and you get 500 monthly email sends and 150 free SMSs, and you get email support for 60 days. They do have upgradable plans starting at $45, which you get a bunch more, and then you also get this plan over here, which is an email and SMS. You get to choose how many SMSs you are able to send in a month. So, that price will increase as you increase the amount of SMSs that you would like. ConvertKit, much the same. It's got that free package, and you can see over here you can manage up to 1,000 contacts. You get unlimited landing pages and forms. You can send email broadcasts. You also get that email support. Their plan starts at $25, which is a lot less than what Klaviyo has. You have pretty much the same features in there, and then they have that creator plan, which is $50 a month. Now, to be completely honest, they're a lot cheaper, but ConvertKit is just not as user-friendly for me than what Klaviyo is. Klaviyo just seems like a better platform, especially if you're just hitting the ground. You want something where you can jump into and start using immediately. So in this case, Klaviyo definitely wins the comparison. What do you folks think? Let us know in the comment section below. We'll see you next time.